Hello and welcome my friend, and now I am doing new video because this second generation Toyota Prius car, this is quite difficult car to drive because this is not so well and easy to use like standard Toyota Corolla, but when we learned to use this car, this is really excellent automatic transmission based electric car. And next I will show that how we start that car. First thing is that we have to beat these car keys, and I have two set, and I have to install this my key in this slot in here. I have to press that so deep that it goes totally in there, in that way. And now it's like I can use my thumb, and now it's okay. And in same time, when I install that in here, I have to check in this dashboard that there is no this blinking warning light. Look, this means that we don't have now right key, but when I install this my key in here, I can see soon that this light, this warning light is away. And now I have actually second key is dead, and that's I have to battery is dead, and that's I have to install this first key. And now when we check my dashboard, there is no anymore this red warning light. Everything is okay. And this is first step when we are starting this Toyota Prius car. And this is really model series 2, what is 2001 to 2009. And now when I start this my car, I have to next press this button quite many times, and this is strange. First button makes in here this green light, and in dashboard there comes this Toyota Prius, this information in here, what we can see. Okay, but we need in this bigger dash also lights, and that's I have to press that again, and this is really strange. Now we can see that there are those dashboards, and this car is not yet ready to start. This is really strange, even that everything works, because we have to get in there this ready light in this dashboard, and there is no any ready light yet. And I remember that I have to press that again, or maybe this parking switch. Let's test. Nothing yet, and maybe I need to press brake pedal, and then let's test that when I take brake. No, there is no yet this important ready light. Let's look that when I change this gear in neutral and then in D, but there is no yet, and this is this difficult thing because I have to get in there this ready thing. And that's I think that should I press that third time? No. And this is this difficult thing in this. Now I install this electric brakes on. And how about then third time? Now everything stops. And how about when I install brake pedal on and then that one again? Okay, this is the thing. I have to press, now there is this ready in this zero and then left ready light in on. And that means now that now I can drive this car. Okay, and now engine starts to run. My engine is running, and now I can change these gears. And normally D is like driving, and now I can drive forward, and then when I like to reverse, I can install that in here, and we can look this this dashboard, there is like reverse, and now when I change in neutral, now it's D position, and then when I like to install that neutral, I have to install that in this way. Look, now it's like neutral, and in dashboard there is this neutral, and now when I install D, it goes in forward. Sorry, now D, and then reverse is up, and now it's parks and this warning. And then when I like to stop this my car, I need to only press that switch. And this was easy. Okay, and this was so difficult car because I had to press this brake pedal.